If I try that again. This one is the crossfader. That's that side. That's that side. That's both. This is how DJs really mix. But obviously you can use any combination of those. Okay, and then finally one last button for you. This CF slope here, little switch with two little pictures. Basically, what this is showing you is the curve that the crossfader CF has applied to it. If I have it all the way over here, you can hear that side. You can't hear this side yet. On this slope, it's going to fade the volume in until it's full volume. And then this side, same thing. Fade between them. If I'm set here, it's instantly at full volume when it's open. Basically, the fact it curves means it dips in volume when you have both signals playing, which stops it overloading in big mixes. But this mode, where it comes in at full volume, is so that you can drop in a part of that song at full volume instantly. Most used for scratching. You can imagine if I had to move this all the way to there to get full volume, it's a lot harder for scratch techniques than simply tapping it to there. That's what that does. The CF mode, normal and reverse, literally switches it. So now I'm here, but I'm hearing that one. I'm there, and I'm hearing that one. In normal, here means I'm hearing that one.